thunderstorm warning for southern Scotland County in central North Carolina, central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Laurinburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Laurinburg, Rayford, Fort Bragg, Maxton, Antioch, Hope Mills, Eastover, Stedman, and Wagram. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.